In this video, you are going to learn about the latest feature of the Premiere Pro, and that is the quick export coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, I will show you the latest feature of the Premiere Pro, and that is the quick export. Though this is not something new, but yes, it is little bit quick than the earlier option of exporting your sequence or videos or footage. So this is a little bit helpful when you want to quickly export with the default settings. So without further ado, let's get started. So this feature is available only when you update your Premiere Pro to the latest version, and that is the 14.7.0 build 23. So if you have this version of the Premiere Pro, then this quick export option would be available for you. But if it is not, please update your Premiere Pro, and thereafter what you will see the quick export option right in the top corner of the Premiere Pro right over here. So let me first show you when you were exporting a file or sequence from the Premiere Pro, what you have to do. You have to just select the sequence, like in this case this one, and if I press Ctrl M or Command M, that would open up the export options. Otherwise you can just go to the file and select export, and you can select the media, or you can simply press Ctrl or Command M if you are using the Mac, and that gives you the option to decide the settings. So H.264 is mostly what people use, and then default setting, that is the match source high bitrate, and you can choose other settings as well. And then you have some other options right over here of the Premiere Pro. Then you can browse the location from here, so you can select and browse the location, and you can then either you press quick, that would be sent to the Adobe Media Encoder, and if you want to export, you can just export it right from here by clicking on this export button. So that was the previous version, but now with this new option, that is the quick export, when you will click on this little icon, what it is going to do, let's see, this new dialog box has opened, and from the corner itself you can just decide your location where you want to save it. You can choose a preset. So at this moment, this is the adaptive high bitrate, that is by default, and then we have the high quality 216, 4K, HD, 720. So these are the simple options which are available. Only these presets are available, and they works for the H.264 codec. So that's by default, and you can see the details of this over here, H.264, and then 9020 into 1080, 29.97 fps, 90 mbps, and the duration and stereo and other estimated file size, something like this. And you can press the export, so that's going to export it right from here. All right, so that would be exported. But if you want to just export this one, this particular clip, you can press the backslash key, and that's going to make an in and out point of the selected clips, and then you can click on this export or quick export button once again, and this time you will see the estimated file size is 1307. So it's going to export only this particular file. All right, now this the quick export also allows you to export from anywhere or from any panel, like in the project panel. If you select the project panel, and if you select this sequence, this, or you can see select this sequence, if you press this button once again, now you can see it shows the MP4. So this is not a project. All right, so this is the sequence, and it shows all these details. You can either choose another options right from here, and it shows you the file size, and you can press export, and you can even export the video files from here. So if I select the video file from here and if I click on the quick export, now you can see it from here that this is the name of the file, and you can see the size and all these things, these options, and you can press the export and you can see it would start exporting right from here itself. So there is no option available to send this to the media encoder because it's a quick export and you can quickly export from here. Alright, so this is how you can quickly use this quick export option in the Premiere Pro latest version, and you can quickly export your sequence, clips or anything else right from the Premiere Pro. I hope you will find this feature useful if you want to just quickly export your sequence or clip with default settings, and if you don't want to go through the hassles of customizing different settings, you can just use this feature and that would really save you a lot more time. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.